How to fix Telegram login problem. If your Telegram is having problem, then first thing you need to check your internet connection. If it is working fine, then go through the app store you have in your device and on the searching bar search for Telegram and make sure that there is no any update button available. If there is, then hit on that button. Then go through the settings and again hit on the general. From here, scroll down and go through the iPhone storage. Now here search for Telegram application. Once you go through the Telegram application, you will see two options, that is offload app and delete app. Among them, choose offload app and reinstall your application again. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.